Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be doing a seamless clip-in install featuring the coarse kinky blowout clip-in extensions from Curlsqueen, and I want to thank Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video. I'll be showing you step-by-step how I blend the clip-ins with my Type 4 natural hair with minimal leave-out, so if you're interested in seeing the process and hearing my honest opinion on the hair quality, just keep on watching. First things first, let's get into the packaging. The clip-ins arrived nicely packaged, and upon opening the box, there was a free gift bag on top that contained a detangling brush, a satin bonnet, and extra clips. Now moving on to the star of the show, I received a full set of coarse kinky blowout clip-in extensions in 20 inches. This is my first time trying seamless clip-ins, so I'm excited to see how well they blend in with my natural hair and how much flatter they lay in comparison to the classic weft. A full set comes with 10 pieces. There are two 10-inch wefts. These wefts have 5 clips, two 9-inch wefts with 4 clips, two 7-inch wefts with 3 clips, and two 4-inch wefts and two 3-inch wefts, both of which have 2 clips. I co-washed the clip-in extensions before installation because I personally wash all of my weave before installation. And after co-washing, I applied a heat protectant and blow dried the hair on medium heat. After the hair was fully dry, I took my flat iron to smooth out some of the crimps in the clip-in extensions for a more seamless blend with my natural hair texture. Yesterday was wash day, so I moisturized and plaited my hair into 4 large braids and allowed my hair to air dry overnight for a heatless stretch. After unraveling and combing out each section, I parted off a small section of hair in the front, braided my hair down in the back, and sewed down the ends of the braids to prep my hair for the clip-in install. Now it's time to install the clip-ins. First, I'm taking both 7-inch wefts and clipping them in at the very back, leaving about an inch of space in between. Next, I clipped in both 9-inch wefts. Then I clipped in one of the 10-inch wefts. I added the 4-inch clips to the sides of my head right above the previous weft. finished it off with the last 10-inch weft. Now let's get this leave out together. I'm going for a middle part, so I parted the section down the middle, detangle both sides, and use my blow dryer on medium heat to smooth out my leave out. Lastly, I added the 2 remaining 3-inch clip-in extensions to the top for a fuller look and better blend in my leave-out area. You can definitely stop here because that's pretty much it for the clip-in install, but I wanted to see how well the hair curls, so I added a few flat iron curls to the very ends of the hair. I didn't experience any issues when curling the clip-in extensions. However, I do recommend using a holding spray to keep the curls intact for at least a full day or two before having to go in and retouch them. So these are my results. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Curlsqueen Coarse Kinky Blowout Clip-In Extensions and that the video as a whole was detailed and helpful. The link to the clip-in extensions is below in the description box along with my discount code for money off your purchase. As always, I want to thank you for watching and thanks again to Curlsqueen for collaborating with me on today's video. Leave any questions you have below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.